Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am using the Dr. Bronner shampoo yet again. Ooh, I know I said that I would never use it again, or rather I canceled it, or no, not canceled it, I paused it. If you've been watching my videos this far, you know that I have had I can't even say it's an uphill battle. It's just been a battle. Um, Whenever I use the Dr. Bronner shampoo in my locks, so many naturals, so many of us with locks swear by the shampoo. However, I started using it very early in my lock journey, and I too enjoyed it for a moment until I realized that I was not, first of all, I was not doing it right. And second of all, I realized that there was a certain ingredient included in the formula that was doing more damage to my locks than good. So I paused on it at the moment, but I got a little strike of inspiration to try it out again. And so this is what I'm doing right now. So I'm in the shower and I'm making sure, of course, to brush my locks out and then to drench it fully with water. I really want to try out this new thing that I saw. I like trying different things, and this is the bar soap. Yes, you can use a bar soap on your head. Of course, you have to make sure that it is the right bar soap. You can't just pick up any old bar soap and start washing your hair with it. This bar soap is made by Dr. Bronners, and this is the peppermint soap. I love peppermint. I love peppermint. It always just really gives me that nice feeling, that tingly feeling in my scalp. And I just like to feel that it's working in order to feel good about using it. So I went ahead and rubbed the bar on my scalp, and this is what we're working with right now. I did not start with my four pigtail method, I guess you would say. I usually part my hair in four and then go ahead and start washing it, but here I just wanted to kind of get down into the nitty gritty and get started. And so I am just going ahead and rubbing the soap against my scalp. Looking at the footage right now, I would not recommend, rubbing your roots, especially if you are trying to maintain the roots in a certain way. I would be careful how you rub the soap on your scalp. This is my first time, so don't come for me, but yeah, just looking at the footage right now, I would be careful how you rub the soap because you don't want to cause so much friction that you are unknowingly breaking your roots. So I'm rubbing the formula into my scalp, and I will go ahead and talk more about my thoughts shortly after I finish this wash. So just stay tuned for the rest of the video in order to hear my thoughts, my take on this, how it really felt as I was using it, and my whole entire experience. So what kind of sets me apart from when I used to use the shampoo, which I never used the bar shampoo, of course. I used the bottle shampoo soap. So I think that the difference between me then and me now using the bar soap is that I understand more about how to wash my locks than I did before, because I realized that I was making some mistakes, and that's quite normal. As you grow, you learn from what you did that was a mistake. You learn not to do it again if you're smart. And I realized that I was not washing my hair properly. I could go ahead and blame the Dr. Bronner shampoo wholeheartedly and say how the shampoo gave me buildup, but in reality, it did include an ingredient that I will talk about later, but I also wasn't allowing the shampoo to fully rinse out of my hair. So what I was doing was jumping in the shower. Oh, by the way, here's me rinsing out my hair. So satisfying, right? Okay, so I was jumping in the shower, and like 5 minutes later, I would hop right back out the shower and think that, oh, you know, locks are low maintenance, they're easy, so it doesn't take much to wash them. I was so wrong. You have to give yourself enough time to wash your hair, to let it rinse out, to really allow for all of the product to come out, or you will end up with product buildup from your shampoos, believe it or not. So, looking back at the footage right now, this is my second lather, and as you can see, it is lathering up a whole lot more. I think that is because, you know, the first wash, your hair is already pretty much primed and ready. So the second lather is always so much easier for some reason. Don't know why. I realized that with this shampoo soap that I had to constantly like kind of run it underneath the water to get it to suds up because it started to get dry. So, I mean, that's small, but it's just something that I had to do. I had to keep running it under the water so that the suds would form. So yeah, I think that I have learned from my mistakes. And especially with the Dr. Bronner shampoo, because a lot of you guys have been talking about how it's very important to dilute this formula, because if you don't, you could end up with buildup issues as well. And it could get trapped up inside of your locks. So I never used to dilute my shampoos at all. I still don't, to be honest. But I realized that, okay, if I don't dilute the shampoo, I must give myself enough time to rinse this out. So thinking about my past experiences with the Dr. Bronner shampoo, I knew that I had to stay in that shower for a long period of time. And that's what I did. I gave myself a long period of time to rinse this shampoo out. I decided to go with this shampoo again because I wanted to try it again, you know, simple as that. Even though it did include an ingredient that I promised myself I would never put in my hair again, I just wanted to try it out. So I guess, you know, towards the end of the video, you will see whether or not it did give me buildup again and destroy my hair, whether I'll use it again or not. And yeah, so I hope that you are enjoying this far. Let's just get on to my final thoughts and experiences. Hey guys, so I'm back and it has been about an hour since I have washed my hair. Ooh. And as you can see, it is drying. Like, my locks take no time to dry. And that's probably because I have high hair porosity. Not sure if that's the reason, but it takes little to no time at all. Like, my locks get dry at the snap of a finger. So yeah, so I tried the Dr. Bronner soap and I have been holding on to this soap for a few months now. Didn't try it, had it in the paper casing, but I've always thought about trying it. I picked it up from Walmart and I said to myself, okay, this will be something fun to try, kind of change things up a little bit and do something different. Try a different shampoo because I like changing my shampoos up and trying different things. So yeah, I picked this one up and it was like maybe about $5. Very affordable. The first thing that I noticed about it is that it smells really nice. It smells just like peppermint. Like, there's no question at all. It is a peppermint soap, so it's going to smell exactly like peppermint. The peppermint smell smelled like peppermint, but it also smelled like it smells like it has other things as well. But it is a very pleasant smell for me. I'm someone who's sensitive to smells, so I can't take so much of like the heavy smells, like the perfumey smells. But this one is a very, you know, even though it has that peppermint smell, it just still smells decent and pleasant, and you know, it still feels relaxing to use this product in the shower. So I realized that immediately after wetting my hair and rubbing the soap bar on my roots, it started to suds up. But the first time that I rubbed the bar on my roots, it kind of sudded up kind of dry. Even though I wet my hair, drenched it really well, it didn't give me a full lather until the second wash. The second wash was the best wash because I really got a good lather. I feel like my hair was already, you know, pretty much primed from the first time that I washed my hair, so the lather was really, really good. The second lather maybe compares to the Dr. Locs lather that I showed you guys here on this channel, but not quite. No. This soap can't touch Dr. Locs. I still think that the Dr. Locs shampoo is better than any shampoo that I've tried. This one is, however, natural. But the thing about this brand, I like the brands, and you know, it's okay. The first time that I used shampoo, I used the actual bottle, and I was using that for a while because my mom was using it and she recommended it, and so many people on YouTube recommend it for locks and stuff like that. So I used it, but then I realized that there might be something inside of this shampoo that is causing my locks to have built up. You know, number one, first of all, I was not rinsing my hair long enough, so that is to blame. I was not diluting the shampoo as well as I could have. But the shampoo also included a fishy little ingredient that I have always mentioned to you guys that I will not do in an oil form ever again, and that is coconut oil. Coconut oil, as you guys know, is liquefied when it is hot, you know, when the temperature is hot, and yeah, it turns to liquid. But then when it gets cold, it turns back to that solid white form. I started seeing that solid white form in my locks, and I realized that it is connected to coconut oil. Yeah, I decided, you know what, after that experience, that I would not try again, especially because the shampoo would always dry out my hair. Like, my hair was crispy. No element of moisture left at all. So it's really, really good for clarifying, but when it came to moisturizing my hair, of course I would have to then go in with my whole entire moisture routine just to build back up the moisture again. But I don't think that it's necessary to wash your hair every time with this shampoo. However, the soap shampoo bar, it's not advertised as a shampoo bar, but it does have all of the ingredients that the shampoo has as well. It's just in bar form. So I used this one, but the difference with this one is that while I was lathering up my hair with the bar soap, I felt like my locks were getting moisture at the same time as I am shampooing my locks. And that's different because when I was using the shampoo bottle, I would instantly feel like my locks were dry. Even as I'm lathering it up, I would feel like my locks were dry. The bar soap it compares to when I used Dawn dish detergent soap in my hair, and it really felt like a nice slip, like it was getting moist, like my locks were getting moisturized at the same time as me washing them. This one feels the same way, that same slip. And it does have a lot of ingredients that are oil based. So the ingredients are, of course, coconut oil, palm oil, hemp oil, jojoba oil, and so forth. So yeah, I thought I would kind of jump the gun and try this thing out differently. The brands, however, like I was gonna say, the brand is very, very weird to me. I don't know, like I kind of get their idea and then I'm kind of confused. Like, as you guys know, if you've ever purchased a bottle from Dr. Bronners, you know that they have a lot of different, you know, sayings on their bottle, and I guess they're kind of encouraging and stuff like that. But yeah, I was reading like their kind of their wording, their kind of like encouraging words, and it says, absolute cleanliness is godliness. Balanced food for body, mind, soul is our medicine. Full truth, our God. Hard work, our salvation. Unity, our goal. Free speech, our weapon. All one, our soul. Self-discipline, the key to love. Uniting all one, above. I don't know, it's just so weird. And especially the bottle, oh my gosh, the bottle, like they say a whole lot of stuff, and it's like, it's kind of confusing. I kind of, as a Christian, I kind of understand, like, you know, where you might be coming from, but then at the same time it's kind of like, what, like, who thought of that? I don't know. Not to throw shade on the brand at all. I got a decent experience with this one, and my locks don't feel dreadfully dry. Even though I do need to moisturize, it doesn't feel dreadfully dry like I felt like my hair was when I used the liquid shampoo bottle. Hey guys, so I'm back. I've got my glasses because I want to make sure that I see everything. So I looked through my hair a little before coming on camera just to make sure that what I'm seeing is what I'm seeing. And it looks like this shampoo did not leave me with any buildup. My hair is mostly dry. It might be like maybe 15% wet inside of the locks, but it's mostly dry. I think we did pretty good this time. Of course, there are those like little annoying pieces of lint that I always seem to get. So, you know, I'm about to put my scarf on my head and develop some new, some better habits. But I think I did good this time. I learned from my ways, guys. I'm learning. It's always best to rinse the shampoo out thoroughly before leaving the shower. So that's what my hair is looking like right now. And will I use it again? I think I'll use it again for my body, not for my hair. I will continue using the Dr. Locs Yasin shampoo because I've really been liking that in my hair. You know, but I feel good. I feel like my hair is nicely cleansed. It feels really good. It feels clean. It looks clean. So I don't have any, you know, any issues with this shampoo. It's just not, it's not something that I'll use all the time. Definitely not. I will use the bar for my body. That's the good thing about the bar, is that you can use it for your body too. So yeah, hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to give it a try, hey, go right ahead. But I'm going to stick to my Dr. Locs for now. I just wanted to, you know, try out the shampoo bar, and, you know, everybody else is doing it, so I want to do it too. And I'm glad that I got the chance to try it out because it's an okay experience. It's not like eye-opening or anything, or like life-changing, but it's just something that I can say that I did. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Have you ever used a bar soap? Let us know down below. And what is your favorite product to use on your hair when you wash your locks? I would love to know. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you soon. Later. Bye.